My name is Saija Imbravorkar. Today I have discussed about the types of medical coding. Medical coding is the process of translating the healthcare diagnosis, procedure and medical services and equipment into the universal codes used for billing, insure claims and medical records. There are several types of medical coding. Let's discuss about one by one. First one is the ICD coding, that is the International Classification of Disease. The ICD codes are used to classify and codes diagnose symptoms and causes of death. Then the types of ICD codes. There are two types of ICD codes. First one is the ICD-10-CM, that is the clinical modification. It's used for diagnosis and classifying the diseases and condition in the US healthcare system. Then second one is the ICD-10 PCS, that is the ICD-10 procedure coding system. It's the separate coding system used to describe medical procedure and the intervention. Second type is the CPT coding, that is the current procedure terminology. CPT codes are used to document medical procedure and services provided to patients. These codes are maintained by the American Medical Association, that is the AMA, and are primarily used for the outpatient setting and the physician services. Then the procedure codes, CPT codes covers a wide range of services from office visits to surgeries and the diagnostic tests. Uh, uh, then we discuss about the types of CPT codes. CPT codes are divided into three categories. Uh, First one is the category 1. Category first, these codes describe widely accepted services and the procedure. Then the category second, these are supplementary codes used for the performance of measurements. Then the category third, these are temporary codes for emerging technologies, services, and the procedures. Then third one is the HCPCS coding, that is the Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System. HCPCS codes are used to document supplies, dermal medical equipment, that is the DME, and the services that are not covered by the CPT systems. These codes are issued and maintained by the Center for Medicare and the Medicaid Services, that is the CMS. Uh, there are three levels in SCPCS. The first one is the level 1 SCPCS. These are initially the same as the CPT codes and they include medical services and procedure. And then second one is the level 2nd SCPCS. These codes are used to describe non-physician services and the products such as the ambulance services, durable medical equipments. Example is the wheelchairs and drugs. Then the level 3rd HCPCS, previously used for the local codes. These levels has been largely phased out or replaced by Medicare administrative contracts. ICD-10 PCS coding, inpatient procedure coding system. This is a subset of the ICD system used for coding procedures in patient setting. Example is the hospital surgeries. ICD-10 PCS codes are not used in outpatients or the physician office setting. Inpatient procedure codes. These codes describe the procedure performed during patients, such as the surgeries, diagnostics test, or the therapeutic intervention. Then the code structures, ICD-10 PCS. Codes are the alphanumerical and are seven characters long. Each character has a specific meaning with the different sections representing different aspects of the procedures. Example is the body system, root operation, and the approaches. Thank you.